Hi designers and welcome to my channel. If you need a video display how to create responsive design right in Figma, you are in right space. So why we lose the time? Let's do it. Okay. First, you should start by creating all of the screen for your different breakpoint and make sure to build them with auto layout. And next, you run the plugin Breakpoint. Continue new adaptive layout. Okay, set the breakpoint for your layout as you wish. Okay, select layout, shows phone, select layout of tablet, and now the magic is done. Look, it's easy. So now we've finished to explain and see you next.